हे गाइस, नमस्ते। आप सभी का स्वागत है मेरे चैनल पे एंड आई होप कि आप लोग सभी लोग बहुत अच्छे होंगे। एंड या सो दोज हू डोंट नो मी, आई एम कोमल एंड आई मेक यूट्यूब वीडियोस, एनी रैंडम वीडियोस which I love making it and I enjoy creating that content. I do so and seriously speaking guys, in this COVID situation I do not have many content to create, so I thought maybe why not share some informational videos, yeah, that can be a little bit of help to someone or any kind of experience which people can relate to and take some help or decision based on that. So that's what. So today I'm going to like what am I going to do today, that is the question. So today I'm going to answer this question that I, being a software engineer, why did I quit HCL organization? So I'm going to answer this, okay, so let's start with the video. But guys, before that, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Now, like, there can be many reasons why people quit that organization and move on to other organization. Like, there can be several reasons and every individual can have their own reasoning, okay, but I will share some of the common thing which people because of which people quit organization. Firstly, because they want to improve their financial condition. Secondly, I feel just because of manager, I feel कि manager employee में ज़्यादा बनती नहीं है and somehow like that, okay. And then probably the teammates, means sometimes it can be like you have some toxic teammates and the environment is not good and you don't feel like working in that environment, okay. And other things are like want to have some more challenging roles, you are like bored of doing the same thing again and again since so many years, so you want to see new challenges and you want to work in new technology, so you switch. And then others are like you are not satisfied with that particular location or something like that, and like there can be several reasons. Many people have their own reasons. Now let me share you my own reasoning that why did I quit HCL being such a good organization. Why did I quit it? So the answer is really very simple, and answer is that I was having a lot of work pressure, so I was not comfortable working with lot of work in that particular organization. Now when someone quits particular organization, you can have a question whether this organization is bad, so you left the organization or something like that. So the answer to that according to me is no organization is good or bad. Only I think the kind of people you work with in a project makes you feel it is a good project or a bad project. So you cannot really comment on an organization, okay. So this is the point I want to make it clear, okay. So like there was a lot of work pressure and I was not able to handle it, and I literally was going into depression. I was into depression and going into more and more depression because working continuously. I used to work like 12 hours minimum every day, 9 o'clock morning to 9 o'clock at night, and minimum that was 12 hours, and then 15 hours 18 hours I was going mad. I used to work on weekend and I was like, I decided I cannot work like this, there is people should have some life. Why do money is there, fine, but what if you are earning that money and you are not able to enjoy your life, okay. So I realized this thing and then I took a decision that I cannot work like this. I have some life, I want to enjoy my weekend. I want to keep work as work, and I want to keep my personal and professional life different, but it was not happening in this project. It was like it was professional work was coming more into personal time, means I was only working, I was having most of the time, as spending most of the time in my professional job. Okay, so only, I just used to get time to just sleep and eat, like that. I had that much life only, so I did not continue. I wanted to continue like that. So one fine day, not one fine day, but thinking about it, I decided I'm going to quit this organization because I cannot handle it anymore. And other question you can have that. That is fine. If you're not happy with that particular project, you can move on to other projects, but it is not that simple, to switch different project in a same organization. It's not a simple task. There are so many complications. I didn't wanted to get into those kind of complications, so I decided I will quit HCL. And yeah, guys, so yeah, and I decided, I looked into Naukri, and then I got myself new job, new offer, and then I quit HCL. Yes. And the second reason, which added a point, for me to quit an organization was I was not at all happy with the management. I was not happy the way the project was handled. Even the teammates were good, but the management part, I was totally, it was a no for me. I did not like it because the project could have managed properly, but in their management, we used to work on weekends as well, Saturday, Sunday. Matlab, who works like that? Yeah, Monday to Friday, Saturday, Sunday. In a sense, you do not have any weekend to just breathe. That was the situation, so I did not like it. So this was in the manager's hand. They could have done something about it, but they did not do anything. And other thing is that stretching office timing is, like, not timing, but the interval is 9 hours a day, but it always used to be minimum 12 hours a day, and then 15 hours, 18 hours one day. Like, I just was in whole 24 hours in office. So these were the situation which provoked me, you can say, that to quit the organization, because I was not liking the management at all. First of all, you are having that much work, and the management is also not understanding, so it doesn't work out. So these are the situation in which an employee thinks of quitting the organization. Okay, so these were the two things I had. And other thing is that so for me, from my point of perspective, I did not wanted to quit an organization before 5 years, and I had to quit that organization in 3 years, and I am quite happy with that decision, because even though I was not looking much into financial stability during that time, but it was good that I quit that organization, and because of that I went into much more better financial condition and much more good projects into other organizations which were having that time management. Like in my other organization, I did not used to work more than 9 hours or 10 hours. So this was the situation which made me quit HCL. Yeah, guys, so and nothing against the organization, only the thing is the way it was going on, I did not like it and I quit. Yeah, guys, so yeah, I hope you like my video, and please give it a like, share and subscribe if you like my video. Till then, bye bye, take care. Love you.